with TK. Okay, so we had a CRT model on Bitcoin 12 hours. The buyer we're just making our key level, and then I'm marking my CRTH, and then from CRTH I obviously need to mark my CRTL. Right. So after marking these two, there are two ways in which you can get your entry points. The first way that you can get your entry points, it's simply by using Fibonacci, or you can use AMA models. So Lana, let's start with Fibonacci. You know that with Fibonacci, the very same candle that manipulated, you're going to mark out that candle. Then from there, the 50% zone, the 50% level, you're going to highlight it, because that's the only zone we're looking to be taking our buys from. So the market bounces back to that zone or retraces back to it, we're looking for AMA buy switch. Then after marking at that level, you go on a lower time frame. In this case, my lower time frame was 15 minutes. So on 15 minutes, there are two things that you can look for. The very same level that you marked, it can either be an area whereby there was a failed order block, or there's an order block, or there can be a fair value gap. So in this case, I was able to spot Uguti out. There was a fair value gap, but if you check where my rectangle starts, you'll see that we've got a breaker block there, a failed order block, because market broke above it, then now it's a retest. So market bounced back to that 50% level there. It means our target is going to be our CRTH. So this is a way in which you could have took your entries using Fibonacci. So Manje, I'm going to show you the second way. The second way we could have went on 5-minute time frame. Immediately after the manipulation candle tapped into your key zone or key level, you could have went there and looked for model 1. So in this case, there's my model there. The model 1 is simply an order block. So if the market retraces back to the order block, you execute your trades. So Lana, you can see the market pushed up a bit, then went down again to that very same level. So you could have executed your buys from that area. Then your stop loss, obviously, you were just going to put it 10-20 pips away from the key level. That's how I always do it. Then you would target your CRTH. So you can see those are the positions we took.